Okay guys, today we're going to learn how to make jump ropes out of t-shirts. Now, if you're like me, you've been emptying some of the drawers and your grandma, or your mom, or your sister, or whoever, brother, has probably told you to clean out the t-shirt drawer. So I've taken some t-shirts that I've cleaned out and we're going to learn how to make jump ropes with that. Now, you can use a measuring tape. I'm just using a plain ruler that I use for other things, and you want to measure it out to be about 2 inches wide. So if you're here, we're looking at 2 inches, and it's not an exact amount, it's just somewhere around there. So I'm going to start cutting t-shirt. I'll put that to the side. I'm going to go ahead and make the slit. Alright, so there's the finished product. Still just got the collar left. And then we're going to move on to the next 2 t-shirts. Now you have all your shirts cut up, and you want to take your pieces together on the end, and you want to tie them into a knot. Alright, now I recommend after you tie the top that you put it around something that will hold it, unless you have somebody that can hold it. And then you're going to be braiding the parts of the t-shirt. So you're just going to be overlapping it. You know how to do a simple braid. And you just one over the other. Like so. And you're going to have to keep straightening out your shirt. Keep tightening it up until you get to the end. And then once the shortest t-shirt shows, then you start to cut the end, and then we'll do another knot on the end, and when we get to that, I'll show you the next piece.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Ramsey again. So I've been showing you how to make a tie jump rope. And now we have the finished product. So I'm going to let my teachers help me with a couple of these. They've been doing a couple workout videos. I hope you get to see those, but I want to let them introduce themselves.
Coach Hayden from Lucille Brown. Coach Williams from MLK Middle.
All right, so I was showing you how I was making the braids. I took a little bit of painter's tape and made some ends on them, as Miss Hayden has over there. And then in the middle, I took just some packing tape just so that it wouldn't rub on the floor when you use it. Now I made a really long jump rope. So what we're going to do is we're going to twist it up a little bit so we can tighten it up. And then we're going to see if Coach Williams can get in here without us tripping her.
Are we going that way?
Yeah, we're going to.
Okay, here we go.
All right, here we go.
You got this, Miss Williams. Like a video game. Go.
Woo!
Go. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Jump. It was a lot.
Okay, good job. Yes,
Yay!
so we can keep going.
Yay!
Yes,
Way to
good
go.
job, good job. High-five air. So next time you guys have some t-shirts and you're trying to clean your drawer out, you might see this next year in one of their classes, you never know. These were 3 shirts that I cut up about 2 inches each in diameter, and then braided them together. Everybody knows how to do some braids, and there's your homemade jump
That's
rope.
your baby sister. She'll figure it out.
That's right. We'll see you in the next segment.